I finally had the chance to try a high-end vacuum robot with a proper station, water tanks, a self-washing mop roller, AI-supported cleaning patterns and hot air drying. This is the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni, what a name, and I've been using it for about 3 weeks now to clean my apartment. Here's what I think about it. Let's briefly talk about the station first. It features 3 tanks, one for fresh water, one for dirt water and one for cleaning solution. These tanks have to be filled up and emptied manually as there is no fixed water connection available. With the 2 tanks on the top, fresh water and dirt water, it's easy to see whether or not they are full. That's not the case with the cleaning solution because said tank is hidden under a cover. I wouldn't have minded if there was an option to see the level in the app, but having to open the station to check whether or not there is any cleaning solution left every couple of weeks really isn't the best solution. Besides, the station does what it is supposed to do. It sucks dust out of the robot, cleans the mop roller with hot water, dries the mop roller with hot air, and fills the robot with fresh water and cleaning solution before a mopping task starts. I don't have any complaints about the station except for the placement of the cleaning solution. Maybe having a small display on the front with the battery percentage would have been a nice touch as well. The robot itself features the aforementioned mop roller that extends dynamically to clean the edges and corners of a room. While Ecovacs promises 100% coverage, that's not quite what it is. There will still be a dusty border around the corners and edges, it's just smaller compared to a vacuum robot without this technology. The main bristle features a V-shape that is supposed to have an anti-tangle effect. That I can confirm from my experience. The side bristle also extends dynamically to maximize coverage. The laser navigation module is mounted to the front of the robot, as is a camera that you can access via the app. This footage is filmed with the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni and I wouldn't use it to film a YouTube video again. It's good enough to quickly check what's going on in the app. Let's switch to proper cameras again. The Deebot X8 Pro Omni generally cleans my apartment very well except for the corners. Suction power is sufficient for carpets, even the mopping is rather thorough. While cleaning, the robot will return to its station from time to time to give the mop roller a clean and to refill fresh water and cleaning solution. For my 65 square meter apartment, battery life is more than sufficient. Be prepared though that charging the robot fully takes some time. I stopped the clock at the 4-hour mark. If one battery isn't enough to clean your whole space, that might be quite a big disadvantage. In my case, it really doesn't matter though. The battery almost lasts for 2 full cleanings. Giving you a full walkthrough of the application Ecovacs provides would be rather boring. There are many options available, the app responds quickly and I had no connection issues whatsoever. I was more interested in the AI-supported modes. AI intelligent hosting takes almost all control over the cleaning task away from you and replaces it with an intelligently put together cleaning pattern that takes the room, floor types and boundaries into consideration. That way the robot should be able to determine itself which room needs more thorough cleaning, in which order the rooms shall be cleaned and how much water and suction power is used. From my experience, this intelligent cleaning mode works very well and I used it almost exclusively. That, paired with the above average navigation, good wayfinding and great cleaning capabilities, led to a very neat apartment every single time. Honestly, I'm very impressed. It navigates well, it cleans well, even itself, and the app is rather well done. These are the hallmarks of a good vacuum robot, and from my experience so far, I would absolutely say that the Deebot X8 Pro Omni is a good vacuum robot. My only nitpicks are the missing indicator for the cleaning solution, that the robot can't be used when an update is available, until you install that update of course, that the ability to overcome obstacles is rather average with a maximum of 20mm, that corner cleaning doesn't quite work perfectly, and of course the price tag. In Germany, the Deebot X8 Pro Omni is currently being sold for 1200 euros. But given that all my negatives fit into one sentence, though a pretty long one, I would describe myself as happy with how this vacuum robot does its job. Almost every parameter is better compared to a middle-class robot. With smartphones, for example, that wouldn't always be the case. So if you have a lot of money to spend and want to treat yourself with a solid vacuum robot, this is one of the better choices. Dreamy has better edge cleaning in their X50 Ultra, and Roborock has some slightly cheaper alternatives available, but Ecovacs certainly doesn't have to hide behind their competition.